Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with all the latest tips and tricks on healthy living. Today, we'll be discussing a very important topic, which foods to eat and which foods to avoid during pregnancy for a healthy baby. Pregnancy is a crucial period for every mother, and eating right is essential for the health of both the mother and the baby. Through this video, we'll be sharing crucial insights to help you make the right food choices during this critical time. Friends request you to please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. It's crucial to consume foods that are rich in protein, and this is particularly important during pregnancy. The building blocks of protein like amino acids are incredibly important in the development of the fetus. This means that consuming foods like lean meats, poultry, beans, peas, and eggs will provide the protein that you and your baby need. It's also important to consume fish, but they should stay away from high-mercury options like swordfish and shellfish, as it can damage baby's growing nervous system. Pregnant women shouldn't eat raw and undercooked meat, as it can cause miscarriage. Liver and liver products have lots of vitamin A, which can be harmful to an unborn baby. All of us know the importance of including fruits and vegetables in our diets, but their importance during pregnancy cannot be overstated. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help aid digestion and boost the immune system of both the mother and the child. You can also indulge in snacks like carrot sticks and hummus, or berries and nuts to keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. But there are fruits such as papaya, pineapple and grapes should be avoided by pregnant women. Raw or semi-ripe papaya contains latex. It can induce premature contractions, which can be dangerous for the baby. Pineapple is also not recommended as it can cause diarrhea, which can be very uncomfortable during pregnancy. Eating grapes can generate heat in the body, which is not good for both mother and the child. Iron is another crucial nutrient that is essential during pregnancy. Consuming foods that are rich in iron, like spinach, broccoli, lentils, and beans are essential to keep the mother and baby healthy. Studies have shown that an iron-rich diet not only helps in preventing anemia during pregnancy, but can also play a role in cognitive development. There are also few types of vegetables that pregnant women should avoid, such as raw sprouts, including mung bean, clover and alfalfa. They should also avoid raw radishes, prepackaged salad mixes and canned vegetables. All of these carry the risk of exposure to bacteria that can harm the baby. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of calcium, which is crucial in the development of teeth and bones of the baby. Calcium is also vital in maintaining the cardiovascular and nervous systems of the body. Yogurt, in particular, is rich in probiotics that can help with digestion and reduce risk for conditions like gestational diabetes. While dairy products are excellent sources of calcium, some dairy products such as unpasteurized cow's milk, goat's milk, sheep's milk, or cream should be avoided. Pregnant women should also avoid pasteurized or unpasteurized mold-ripened soft cheeses with a white coating on the outside, such as brie, camembert, chèvre, and also soft blue cheeses, such as Danish blue, gorgonzola and roquefort. There's a small chance that unpasteurized or soft-ripened dairy products contains Listeria bacteria, which can cause infection called listeriosis, and this can lead to miscarriage or stillbirth. Whole grain sources like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats are excellent sources of carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients. They help to keep you full for longer periods and also help regulate blood sugar levels. Consuming whole grains during pregnancy is essential as it helps in the development of the nervous system and brain of the baby. On the other hand, alcohol and smoking should be avoided. Even moderate amounts of beer, wine, or liquor can harm a baby's brain, leading to problems with learning, attention, memory, and social skills down the road. Smoking during pregnancy can also damage a baby's developing brain. Pregnancy is a critical period in a woman's life, and making the right food choices is essential for the well-being of both mother and child. A balanced diet that includes sources of protein, iron, calcium, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is crucial at this time. We hope that this video has been helpful, and if you have any additional tips, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on healthy living.